About 2 weeks ago, I called one of my clients to check in and I asked, "How are you doing?" And she said, "Not so great." I said, "Really? What's going on?" She said, "I've been on the floor for the last 2 days and I haven't been able to get up again." I said, "Oh my goodness, please let me call an ambulance for you." She said, "I don't have anyone to take care of my cat. I can't go to the hospital." I said, "I'll take care of your cat. Don't worry about that. Let's get you the treatment that you need." And she let me call an ambulance. I partnered with another person to take care of her kitty for about 10 days until we could get her cat into an emergency foster care program. But what came out of all of this was realizing what is important to people, what their big rocks are. So her relationship with her cat means the world to her. Her cat is her biggest of all the big rocks in her life. So what are your big rocks? What relationships do you prioritize? Relationships are one of the most common big rocks that our clients identify. What can you do today in your life to put those big rocks in your jar? How can simplifying and getting organized free up space in your life so that you can focus on what is important to you and you can focus on those relationships? So think about that today. Maybe there's one thing on your calendar that you can let go of. Or maybe getting organized will kind of streamline your time so you're not spending as much time looking for things and you'll have time to spend on things that are more important to you. And just as a general request, I'm asking that you check in with your neighbors or with friends or acquaintances, someone that you know who might be more vulnerable, who might be an older adult, who might be someone who has a disability. Maybe you don't know your neighbors. Maybe this is a great opportunity to knock on their door and step back 6 feet so you maintain your social distance, but you're checking in with them and you're asking how they're doing, if there's anything they need, any resources that they might need to be connected with. You might make a great new friend. You might save a life. You just never know. Thank you for tuning in.